allow apples to grow with you.
Omnyishengero w'ishaza rya Rwampara Amos Kankunda kandi urucyapasoni w'akakiko k'ebyesente n'embariro mu ishengero ry'ihanga nuwayebembira abanyishengero barakushitama akakiko aka kandi babandize kutayira sako ya Rwampara Women Entrepreneurs emwara za sako z'urukora ryo mu Rwampara yatandikire gukora n'imigati
muri akazi w'abakozi munonga tumukoro gugoka kureka mwenene ndije merime mukora so niko kwako ine mpire shatoka kumayona no gitangatanga ando kabura kugitera hansi
abakubahereze babwino habebembezo bazasako 19 z'emyoga omukanisa ya Kinoni Church of Uganda okushwijuma emyoga yahiko mu district egi
bakabanza batunga miliyoni 30 abazikoziseje kubagarike mbaba praisinga bare mu bakoraje babongera miliyoni 2 kandi n'abariyone bakoraje twari ngo babongire zine
bimwe habujwirwe kubane bitegana sasa akoze myogo mu district egi no kugira ngo kunyaga kuciriya higuru kandi kizinga mzentunguka yazumwe haraza sakoze myoga ezuri mu district ya Rwampara.
Yes, you may say that there are many more members out there who have not accessed the funds and therefore they need to also access the funds. Are we as parliament, should we go with the message that yes, we are just out to give people because people are many there when actually the loans are not performing? I think it is a lesson that we have to pick and we need advice from you, the implementers.
The magnitude of the groups is one of the reasons why Emyoga is failing. One of the reasons. You find a group has 8 people, they get 30 million. Another group has 2,000, 3,000 people, they get also 30 million. So that one is for you.
Abasako yabarema bagambira bakakiko harahabebembeza abanyageresente ngiza kubirene ziyamba ba member kandi abasako yabankazirwanaho hine member wakurisa office ya RDC akabiyaho miliyoni 3 n'icweke zataragaruize aho abanyeshengero bashabira umujokirwa mukuru yango kutandikira hanshongezi
twatumye balance miliyoni 1 atakumana tuzirati atuma mutaziro microfinance nezitwara mutuko dosos so yacu start kuyamajire kutwazira no kumpi ofisi ya RDC wazo takatwaga na chukuri
ni kansa wowe kanyagira kutwaro kacye mukanagambira abandi musente bizakomeye kansa ayine ibatu kumoga bagambira abantu baranga kutushasha so kwenda nchira ofisi ya RDC ukutera ajya barubaka
ikine cyo kurebera abo kubataho nkaho turazi icyo kureberaho kunaba ninde bo mu records ezanje ezambara district leadership yabo niyo kutayayira
sente z'urukwingana kawembekamo no bukekuru 2030 nazo zitirwa mu district ya Rwampara kandi saa kwa 36 nazo zabandaze kutunga miliyoni 30 ahabwo mu rundo rwo kubanza ahari yeza 36 14 zakozire kurunge nazo zatungire miliyoni 20 ahabwa fezi ya kabiri 15 ziri mu ntebekana se kutunga fezi ya kabiri rero mushanjo zikakora kubizakuma sente za fezi yo kubanza ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.